We went to Skagway. It was fun. Saw some cruise ships. Maybe I'll put this at the beginning of the video to confuse people. Today's adventure, now that we hit somewhere with more road noise, it makes sense to video. We're going to Skagway, Alaska. No! Says our American in the background. Here we are at the Carcross Desert, the world's smallest desert, according to their tourist information stuff. It's kind of cool. Big sand dunes out in the middle of the mountains. You're the worst. On the American side of the border in Alaska, driving down into Skagway, and stop to see these waterfalls back over here. The little person and I are up in this cave of a little bit. Is it fun? Yeah. There we go, there's the inlet into Skagway. There's even a cruise ship up here. We're just on our way down to a beach so the kids can dip their feet in the Pacific Ocean. Any of my US friends gonna get me a job in Skagway? Walking down to the flats at the Dyea Inlet, next bay over basically from Skagway, is the Dyea Flats. Dyea, something like that. This is where a lot of the miners came during the Klondike Gold Rush. This was the other place besides Skagway that people would land. Oh, there's the remnants of an old wharf. So there's a major difference between the Arctic Ocean and Tuktoyaktuk and the inlet down here in Skagway. You can smell the smell of ocean here. Up in Tuktoyaktuk, it didn't smell any different than any other freshwater lake. I'd assume that's because there isn't these tidal flats with all the rotting seaweed and stuff like that. But it smells like the sea. There's my girls. Wow! That's awesome. I don't know if I can carry them all. I'm gonna have to drop something. Are you a collector? Two herons there and a family of ducks in between them. Who likes the ocean? Just watching an otter here in the harbor at Skagway. Watching all the sheep get herded onto the Cataliners there. So one of the cruise ships is disembarking, or embarking. It'd be embarking. One of the cruise ships is embarking. That's where we're coming from. That is where we're going. Poor little children, tired right out.